Good evening, everyone. Hi everyone. My name is Juhi Srivastava, and today we will learn about how to create a Google form. Okay, so in next 2 to 3 minutes, I will just show you how we can use Google Forms in an innovative way. Okay, to make classroom learning more interactive and data driven with just a few clicks. What happened nowadays as teachers, we often struggle. To quickly check how well students are performing in their subjects and whether they have understood a lesson or not. Okay, so traditional quizzes takes time to mark and then return to get the response, to get the feedback. But with the help of the Google form, we can collect, grade, and analyze student response, individual student response instantly. So for that, I'm just sharing my screen. Step by step, we will go how to create a Google form. Now, as we know that everyone is having a Gmail account, okay? You need only to open the Gmail account in which you have given in your school or the mail ID which you are using in your school, okay? Or anywhere which is professional email ID, you are using official email ID. Now, I will be sharing my screen to show you. Okay, as you can see my screen, I hope it is visible to all of you. Okay, now as you can see my screen, I have opened one new tab and I will just write it here, Gmail. I've opened already my Gmail account, so it is being there. Okay, now can you see this Gmail ID is open? Now what we have to do exactly? Can you see this 9 dots are there? Where it is written Google app? Okay, now this cursor is creating a showing you different types of applications like here documents are there, slides are there. Okay, classroom also you can make it from here. Now can you see these forms? We will just click on this form. Okay, now let's create a quick formatting assessment together. Now can you see blank form? Yeah, the cursor with the hand, we will click on that, the blank form. Okay, now as you see the click form opened. Okay, we will make this as a quiz. Any quiz if you want to make science quiz, commerce quiz, maths quiz, anyone, anything you want to do, you can do it. Okay, now let's do it, make it as a commerce quiz. Okay, we will do as a commerce quiz. Now we will write it here. When you will click it here, it is editable, so you can edit it. You can write commerce assessment quiz. Okay, now once you have done, it is being written here. Okay, now if you want to give any description, let me just once see. I have created one quiz here, already one created one Google form. This one is there. I will just show you like this. You can show the description. Test your understanding of key of commerce concepts. This quiz, short quiz includes multiple choice and image-based question. You have to select the correct answer for each. Now I will go to my blank form. If you want, you can just copy and paste it here. Or if you want anything else you write, you can write it here. This I have made already to show you how the responses are come. Okay, because now I am creating the responses will not come. So just I have just created this Google form to show you how this form will give you an the response and the feedback of the individual students. Now, here, can you see it here? Option, the title, untitled question. For example, if I write any question here, if I click here, can you see the right hand side with the cursor? Can you see multiple choice? Here you can see short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, checkbox, drop down, linear scale if you want to give the linear scale question, if you want to give rating scale question, if you want to give short answer question, if you want to give paragraph question, everything is available here. Now we want to go to multiple choice question. Now this is a multiple choice question I am creating. I will show you one, I will show you for the context based and one I will show you the image based. Okay, for example, if you write one question number one, we will put it one. Okay, now for example, if I write, for example, commerce mainly deals with the Okay, the dash of goods and services. Okay, now this is the thing. I have written it. I have clicked it here. Okay, now I want to give the option. Option 1, for example, I want to give production. Then you click it, add another option. Okay, distribution. Then I click, then I write, sorry, consumption. Okay, then I clicked and write invention. Now I have given this 4. Okay, now in this, if you want to give the answer key, okay, we can do with the answer key also. Okay, if you want, we can do with the answer key also. We can go with the answer key, that we can want to add the answer key. Now before that, we have to go to the settings. Now can you see, make this quiz, it is written assign point values, set answers and automatically provide feedback. If you will click it here, see it is off. If you on it, see immediately after each submission, children will get the correct answer. If any answer is wrong, and we can give any point also for that question. See correct answer, response can see correct answer after graded are released. If you want to give any points, you can see it here, default question point value. If you want to give that marks as a 0.2, 0.1 like that. If, for example, if you have given 1 point, okay, and responses. Manage how responses are collected. If you want to collect email ID, you can click on it, verified, you can click verified. So they, what they will do, the response will be required to sign in a Google account. If you want to do responder input, means here the respondent will manually, they will enter their email address. Now, if for suppose I am writing it verify, they have to sign it with the Gmail account. Now, can you see send responder a copy of their response? If you want to make that the copy should be given to the Gmail account, you can on it, or if you want, they can off it. Now, allow response editing. We cannot allow the response to get edited. Once it is being submitted, it is being there. Now, limit it up to 1 response. Now, these are the things we have done the settings. Now, we will come to question. Now, can you see the answer key? Can you see down the answer key where the cursor is there? This one. Now, click on it. Now, what will be the answer for that? The answer is distribution. Now, I have done and have done it here. Now, answer key has been selected. Now we will add another question. From here, can you see the add from the right hand side? The add is there, cursor is blinking here. Yeah. Add. Now we will add one image based question. Okay, we will add one image based question that we will add an image and we will show what it is exactly. Okay, I will show you one thing. See here, I already made one image based question. See, can you see it here? But how to add this? Okay, the image above presents. Now, for example, if I take this only, I will copy the question from here and I will see it here, the image based question. Now, the image based, for example, how you will add. Can you see it here, the photos, add inline image? You click on it. Now, can you see upload? If any image is there in your already in your laptop, desktop, you can browse it and you can add it from here. If not, you don't want to do it, then what you will do is the Google Drive. If anything is in there, Google Drive. If it is there in photos, by URL you want to search or by Google image you want to search it, it is there. Now, for example, I want to search the multiple different images. Okay, for example, if I want to search different image, okay, I will show you how the different image will be selected for that. Now, I want to add, for foreign trade. If I click it like a foreign trade, so many images are there. Okay, foreign trade. But if we write like foreign trade by ship, can you see the foreign trade is being, it is being showing the goods are being transported from one place to another. So any one pic you can take it which is showing the goods are being imported and exported. Let's take it this one image. When you do it, then it will come insert. I will just block it here. Okay, can you see insert? And we will, this, can you see it is loading image. According to your size and name, you want to add it, or if If you want to reduce the size, you can reduce. If you want to increase the size, you can increase. Before that, after that, when you have seen the three dots, image option. If you want to clip in a left-hand side, center align, wherever you want to keep right align, or if you want to change also, even it is options there. If you want to remove, that also option is there. First, we'll take a left align. Now we'll write here options. What are the options is there which we can see it? Okay. For example, here we can write wholesale trade. So wholesale trade. The next option we can write retail trade. We can write foreign trade, or else we can write home trade. Now, the option is given, answer key, and we will write it, mark it here. Foreign trade is the answer, and we will done it. After doing this, what exactly we have to do? See. Now we have marked this one. Image also I have shown it. Now everything is being done here. If you want any other questions, you can add it here. Now, this form is automatically collecting emails from all responded because we have changed the settings there. From settings, we will go and we will write it. Now, can you see the right hand side, top corner, publish. Now we will publish it. Now, anyone with the link, you publish it. Now you can share. Can you see the link is being given here? Now you copy that link and wherever you want to send it, you can send it there. Okay. Now, before I have done this one, okay. Now this was the way how we can make a Google form. Now, before I have done to show you. Now see, I have done this one. Questions, 10 questions I have added with the options. I have added 10 questions like image this one, and then one more this one, then one more image. How to show this, everything. Now, can you see it here in this email, responses and settings? And again, can you see responses? Now, you can see it here easily how the questions are being, the answer is being given. Now, if you want to see it individually, can you see it is individually given? Click on it. Now, can you see individually? Now, before I have not added or I have not given the settings to collect the email address. That's why it is showing response 1 and response 2. Later, I have changed the settings. I have said that I want to collect the email ID. Now, can you see? This email ID is also showing that who has sent this and how many questions they have done, how many marks they got. Okay. Now, if you want to see all together, the answers that all together individuals, how you can you see this here, view in sheets? When you click in this, it will show you this one. What date, time, okay, what is the answer they have given, and the email address. Everything will be given to you. First two email address is not given because I have not given the settings. Later I have given the settings so that I can collect the data from there. Now I can see how many of them has given the correct answer. How many points they have got. See. 7 by 9, 9 by 9, 7 by 9, 4 by 9, like this. Out of this 9, how many they have given the answers. Now from here, we can select the students. We can see the performance of the students, that how well they are in their subjects. Like this, not only image based, but so many options are there. If you want to write, for example, if I add question, if I want to add short answer, we can write the question, short answer, like difference between, as I'm taking a commerce classes, so it is difference between, or accounting classes like this, we can say difference between commercial and non-commercial activity. Okay, or we can say write in 2 words, sorry, not 2 words, write the 4 differences, write the 5 differences, like this we can give. And here the children will write the short answers. And answer key, if you want to write it, mark all other answers are incorrect. Okay, now if only this, what we have written it, if you want to give that answer only, that answer if related to that only, it is correct. Let's mark all other answers as incorrect. As this is a short answer, the language can be changed. So we cannot say mark all other answers as incorrect. Might be they have written in their own words the answer is correct. So we cannot say mark all answers as incorrect. If you want, you can. If you don't want, it's up to you. Now again, if you want to add any other question, then you can see the paragraph question also we can add it. So many like this we can add, and then we will publish it after changing it. Then again we will publish, and again anyone with the link, we will save it and we can show it. So like this, the Google form can be created. Okay, now what are these things you will see? What are these things it is showing add and this? Now, this is the add any question. Then this is import question. If you want to import the question, you can easily import. If you want to save it in a drive, if you want to share with anyone, you can import it anywhere. Now, this is for add title and description. This is for example, if you want to add title and description for individual questions, you can give the title. Now, add image. You want to add image? As we have seen from here also, you can add. If you want to add one video, if you want to show any, a YouTube video from where children can understand the things that how the question is related to that video. After seeing that video, children has to give the answer. You can add directly the YouTube link also. Okay. Now here, you see it here. Everything is being done here. Yes. Everything is being done. Add video. Everything is being done. After that, again, if you want to have changed something, publish, save it again, and then anyone with the link can be done. Okay, so this is a way how we have created a Google form for the students so that we can get immediate response. Yes, for the immediate response, we can do it. This is wonderful and fantastic way to do it. Yes, I hope this commerce concept assessment or science quiz or anything you want, it will be easy for you to create a Google form and publish it. You won't believe it is a very good way to collect the information and to collect the response quickly. And children will be able to see how much marks they have gained. So here I'm stopping my, I'm just stop sharing my screen. I hope you have understood this, how to create a Google form. We'll see you in the next video, how to make a Google site or any other things. Thank you so much.